Hey guys, welcome back to RK Garage. Back from work. I've got all December off from now. It's the 7th of December, so I'm off to the 4th. So I'm going to try get quite a fair few videos out over December for you guys. So hopefully this one I'll be filming and editing today. Going drag racing tonight, but first I'm going to swap compressor housings and compressor blades. I've got my new one here, my old compressor housing with a T51 arm mod, and then I've got to swap back over the back plate, everything to do with that, because as you guys would have seen in the last one, we couldn't get as much boost out of that. It's still leaking out of the comp cover too much. So yeah, so I'm going to film swapping that over. This doesn't get any views, it doesn't get any views, I don't care, it's just another video for you guys. So I'll get set up in the tripod and I'll start taking off what I have to, and we'll go from there. Yeah, see how we go. Alright, so the GoPro was going to die, but I got the turbo on. Compressor cover still is a bit of a leak, but I'm going to go take it out, test it. I'll hook a camera up while I do that, so you guys can see a little bit of driving clip at the end. Get the boost dialed in for the drag, so I'll have a setting at gate and probably 20 psi, and then probably 26 psi or so, and then I might turn it up from there at the track. I'll do some logs because it just spins like crazy on the street as it is. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get these videos loaded on the computer, give the GoPro battery a bit more time to charge, and then we'll get out there and test it and see if it's better. We'll get the nice spool back now with the T51 mod, which is good. And then when I get back after, if I don't have to fix anything, then we'll get the trailer out the front. Got a wireless remote for the winch, which I'll put on there, and then possibly get the car loaded, ready to go later. So I'm going to get on with that and see you guys shortly on the road. Right, so we're out in Mexico. Got one set at 0, duty cycle set to wastegate, 2's 10%, 3's 15%, 4 is 20%, 5 is 25%. So we'll do small pulls through all that, see what each boost gets of that, and I'll get it back to around 26 psi, so that lands out. Hopefully that'll be a low number. Yeah, so we'll do a pull at wastegate pressure, make sure it ends up around 13 or 15 psi. So I will start the log and let's give it a go. People and houses. Now of course there's a car behind me now, so I'll have to wait to another straight. going to tape it down to 22, so probably give it where to start to tape it down. Close that log file, start the log file. Home, I pretty much edited everything you guys have just seen. Just taking the guard off, and that spins just as much as it did before. No shaft play, which is good, because my turbo guy said once it's done a heat cycle, I might need to take the compressor cover back off and everything and nip it back up. But I think we're good. Hopefully, we'll see you tonight at the drags. So yeah, this video, it's coming out today, Wednesday, same time. Cornfed Boost should have a video, so if you haven't watched his video already, jump on, watch his content. I'm not sure what will be getting done on his, but he's doing a 4.2 stroker as well. He's just caged his car, and he's also doing a 9-inch solid axle diff conversion too. So that's some pretty awesome content. Make sure you jump on that and watch that if you haven't already. I mean, yeah, let me know if you guys are wanting the multiple updates. I can either film and upload as many as I can. They might not be as interesting because obviously I'll just be filming what I'm doing, editing and uploading. So there might be a couple of videos where you're like, oh, don't really care about that. Or I can just do, say, Wednesday and Saturday videos and just like compile all the stuff into 2 videos. Although each Saturday one will probably just being drag racing, because I got drag racing tonight, and then if I don't break it, it'll be drag racing next Wednesday, and then if that doesn't break, the one after that, that Wednesday as well. So let me know if you guys want multiple videos, or if you just want just a Saturday or just a Wednesday and Saturday. I'll leave it up to you guys, because you guys watch, so there's no point in me spending my time filming and editing if it's not going to get views. But anyway, if you're still here, I do appreciate it. And as per usual, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, because over 50% of my viewers are unsubscribed. So yeah. But anyway, I will see you guys on the next video, which might be tomorrow or Friday. If not, it'll be Saturday. So see you guys then.